So good afternoon. I am Montison from Crystal Lake College, and today I will be discussing my CO1 assessment, uh, Lab 1 lecture, and this is given by our instructor, Sir Pasco. So for task number 1 is this is my output. For task number 1 is the echo sonder. How the echo sonder measure the depth of the vessel from the seafloor. So this this is the transducers which the transducer will create um, echo sounds measuring from the vessel to the seafloor and to the seafloor back to the transducers in the vessel. So transmitted and returned acoustic pulse outgoing signal. So that is the transducer's um, main main work. So reflecting signal, this is the signal from vessel to the seafloor and then going back to the transducers again, which is called the reflected signal. So and then the other one is this one this one is the reference water surface. So that is what the echo sounder measure. So the other illustration is the recorder through the amplifier, then to the to the pulse generator, to the transmitter, and then transmitter and receiver is um is one of the transmitter of the transducers, which they will pass each other with the transducers, which this will transmit and then pass to the transducers, and then the receiver will receive the signal, and then vice versa. So that is for task number 1. Next, for task number 2, we are asked to give the formula to calculate the depth below transducer. So it is equals to time taken equals to depth of water. So depth of water is equal to distance over 2, or distance divided by 2, and then equals to speed times time over or divided by 2. So that is how you get the or how you calculate the depth below transducer. So let's move on to task number 3. So task number 3, we are asked to give the 7 errors of echo sounder. So the first error is the Pythagoras error, which when two transducers are used, one for transmission and the other for reception, then this inaccuracy is discovered. In order to use the table for corrections, the handbook should be consulted whenever there is a distance between two transducers of more than 2 meters. So next, number 2. Number 2 error of echo sounder is the multiple echoes, which the echo may have been reflected off the seafloor many times, leaving various depth markings on the paper. And then next is the velocity of propagation and water. So the velocity with temperature, salinity, and pressure, that is the velocity of propagation in water, which is one of the errors of echo sounder. And then next is the stylus speed error. So the stylus speed moves so quickly that it takes the same amount of time to go from top to bottom on a chart as it does for sound waves to move twice as far, although errors in recorded depth can occur due to voltage fluctuation that are provided to the stylus motor. So that is one of the errors of the echo sounder. So next The fifth error of echo sounder is cross noise error, which is cross noise is a short line that appears immediately after zero marking coupled with several erroneous dots and dashes when the amplifier sensitivity is high. So next, aeration error, which is when the sound wave is reflected from the air bubbles, it will appear dots. And then the last error of echo sounder is zero line adjustment error. If the zero is not adjusted properly, it will give error in reading. So that is all for my CO1 assessment of NAB1 Lec. Thank you.